Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Gmail's themes on the PC. So for you to be able to change your themes on the PC, here is how you can get it done. You can head over and click on this gear buttons, which is the settings icon. Then you scroll down a little bit, then you have the option called themes. Then you can easily view all themes, available themes that we have. So from here, this is the current themes, which is the default themes. So if you want to, you can change your themes to something different, which is high contrast. If you want this, then if you want something like this, so I'm just gonna pick, I like something a bit dark. Okay, I'm going for this. And once I'm done, I'm just going to click on save. You can see how beautiful it is. I like this. It's awesome. If you find this helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.